Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're comparing Sora by OpenAI and Vizard AI. These are two cutting-edge AI video tools. We want to see, let's call it the ultimate AI video battle. So Sora or Vizard AI, which AI video tool creates magic? This is the second phase of compares text to video, editing, and AI capabilities. This is perfect for creators and marketers. Imagine typing text and getting video. That's right. Sora and Vizard AI make this real. But which one is better? Let's settle this in 60 seconds. When it comes to AI power, Sora has text to video magic, while Vizard AI has smart video editing. So the winner, we can't choose because they are both different. When it comes to video length, Sora has up to 60 seconds, while Vizard AI unlimited. So definitely the winner is Vizard with unlimited video length. When it comes to realism, Sora has photorealistic, while Vizard AI is good but not as real. So definitely the winner is Sora. When it comes to editing, Sora has no editing tools, while Vizard AI has full editor included. So the winner, definitely Vizard. When it comes to access, Sora is not public yet, while Vizard AI is available now. So the winner, Vizard. When it comes to what they are best for, Sora is best for concept videos, while Vizard AI is best for marketing content. So the winner depends on what you want to use it for. So Sora is equal to future video, but Vizard is available today with killer editing. So if you want hype, use Sora. If you need results now, use Vizard. So Team Sora or Team Vizard, which one are you? Comment below. Smash like if you're excited for AI video. Subscribe for more tech battles. Don't forget to also comment on which AI video tool excites you more. Hope you found this video helpful.